Okay, we're going to continue our social studies. We're on Unit 2. You should be on page 68 of your social studies book. Last week, we learned about your address. So we learned about your country and your state. So tell me, what is the name of our country and the name of our state? Okay, you should have said that our country is the United States of America and our state is California. Well, now we're going to learn about the continents. Okay, continents is another vocabulary word, so I want you to pay attention to this word when we read it in a paragraph and know that you have to remember what that word means. Okay, and we're also going to talk about our nation is a vocabulary word, which we've learned that before. Our nation is another word for country. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and begin reading. I want your finger on the page following along with me. Continents. If you were an astronaut looking at Earth from a space station, you would see mostly oceans. Oceans fills up most of the Earth. In fact, I think it's 70% or something like that. Most of the world is ocean. But you would also see some very large bodies of land. Most of those large bodies of land are continents. Look at the continent of North America on the map below. We're not going to go onto these pages. We'll just look on this map here. This is North America, and we can see that there's our country, the United States, and over here is California where we live. The whole area here, this whole section of land, is our continent. Okay, what is the name of our continent? North America. There are 7 continents in the world. The name of ours is North America. And do you notice, is there more than one country on our continent? Yes, there are more than one country on our continent. We share our continent with other countries. So let's go ahead and read about that. The United States is on the continent of North America. The United States shares North America with 2 other large countries or nations, Canada and Mexico. Nation is another word for country. So these are the 2 other large countries that we share it with, Canada and Mexico. But do you notice other colored areas here? Yes, these are also countries that we share North America with. These are smaller countries, so let's read about that. 7 small nations and many island countries are part of North America too. Which direction is Mexico from the United States? So let's find the United States. Which direction do I need to go to get to Mexico? Okay. So on our continent, we have our 2 big countries that we share with, Canada and Mexico. And then we also have 7 smaller countries that we share it with. They didn't tell us the names of these, but this one is Greenland here, and I know that's Cuba. And then there's some other names of countries here that I can't remember off the top of my head, but there are 7 of them that we share it with. All right, let's look at the next page. Oh, I have to move my camera. Give me a second. Okay, we need to find and name the 7 continents on the map. I told you that our whole world here, Earth, has 7 continents. Okay, there's North America. This one was ours where we live. Here's California over here on this side. But down here was Mexico, up here is Canada, there's Greenland. These are those small countries we were talking about. This whole area is called North America. That's our continent. But there's a total of 7 in the whole world. So we're going to name the 7 continents. We have North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Those are the 7. What is one way that Mexico and the United States are alike? What do we share? We are both part of North America. Okay, you are going to have to learn the 7 continents this week. We're going to have to remember their names and where they are on the map. There's a video you're going to be watching called the 7 Continents Song. It's going to teach the 7 continents to you, and you're going to practice when you watch that video of remembering where they are on the map. There is going to be a quiz on Wednesday to see how well you remember. Okay. So number 1, we're not going to write the sentence in the video. You'll just tell me in the video. Tell me where you live. I want you to use the words country, state, and continent. So tell me, my country is, my state is, and my continent is. Tell me the names of all 3 of those. Okay? And number 2, what are the Earth's 7 continents? Tell me the names of all 7 continents. Okay, good luck this week practicing your continents and playing the game. I'm sure if you watch the video lots of times over and over again, you're going to be able to remember it without any problem. Good luck.